how to fix the connection to site is not secure Chrome error. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure that your device is connected to the internet properly and that there are no network issues causing the problem. Sometimes, also a temporary glitch can cause the error message. Try refreshing the page and turn it on again. If none of these work, then simply tap on the three dot option available in the Google web browser in the top right corner. Then tap on the delete browsing data option available there. After you tap on it, ensure the time range in delete browsing data is all time and click on the clear data. So that is it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve this problem. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.